Welcome back to Growing with Blake. In this video, we're going to learn how to grow a honey locust tree. You will need some potting mix, a glass of water, a seed, a spade, and a pot plant. For those who are unaware, this is a honey locust. I like these plants because they offer great colours. Branches have a lot of character, which you get to see when they drop their foliage in winter. The first step is to harvest the seeds, which are inside these long pods. So once we get all of our seeds out, we pop them in a glass of water and just let them soak. And this can take anywhere from 1 day up to 3 months and even longer. You can tell that the seeds are ready for planting once they turn a yellowish colour and swell up to 2-3 times the normal size. So once they've soaked and they're ready to go in the potting mix, it doesn't take that long for them to actually sprout. It takes anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks. Unfortunately, only one of them sprouted. So one day this little tree will grow into something like this. If you've liked what you've seen, like and subscribe for my next video. Thank you for watching.